Welcome. Are excruciating joint pains making your daily life a struggle? In today's video, we're tackling this issue head-on. We'll explore the root causes of joint pain, the vital role nutrition plays in managing it, and introduce you to a potential game changer. Let's start by understanding the enemy. Joint pain. It can stem from various sources like osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease where the cartilage that cushions the ends of the bones wears down over time. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder that primarily affects joints, causing inflammation and pain. Bursitis, inflammation of the bursae, small fluid-filled sacs that cushion the bones, tendons, and muscles near joints. Gout, a form of arthritis characterized by sudden, severe attacks of pain, redness, and tenderness in joints. Injuries. Joint pain can also result from injuries, such as sprains, strains, or fractures. These conditions can cause swelling, stiffness, and even limit your range of motion, making every movement painful. But fear not, nutrition can be your ally in this battle. Here are some dietary tips to help soothe those aching joints. Hydrate. 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 Water keeps your joints lubricated, so drink up. Opt for a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and lean proteins to fight inflammation. Watch your protein intake, especially if you're prone to gout. Keep an eye on phosphorus and potassium levels, especially if you have kidney issues. Cut back on sodium to reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. Using our heroes, joint-friendly foods. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3. South olive oil contains oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory effects similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and SAIDs. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in vitamins and minerals that support joint health. But sometimes the diet is not enough to treat joint problems completely. So here is one of the most powerful nutritional supplements to treat joint pain, which contains glucosamine, supports the repair and maintenance of cartilage, reducing pain and improving mobility. Chondroitin enhances the shock-absorbing properties of collagen, helping to keep joints flexible. MSM provides sulfur, a building block of joints, cartilage, skin, hair, and nails. Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric helps fight inflammation at a molecular level, reducing pain and improving function. Don't let joint pain hold you back. Take control of your health today with JointEternal. Click the link in the first comment to order yours now.